Okay, welcome guys to it's important Python fundamental concepts which we need to know, and it's very important for we to know about this fundamental concept. It's the reserved words. These are special words which have special meaning like the if, else, for, and or. Like you saw what we did in our previous class. We talked about we use the if to declare a condition and use the else statement to check if that condition is true or false. You see when you check the voting age is not what to die. Say, yeah, you're not allowed to vote. Then if it matches the voting age, so congratulations, you can vote. So these are special words. These are reserved words we use in programming. This if, else, and the rest, you can find it in other languages, but the difference is just very clear. Like elif, now this if else is in PHP is called elif, but in Python is if else. So you see that all these things are just the syntax are same, but just little different. So these reserved words are not words you use commonly in programming. Probably you want to give a variable and you want and use all of this. The system is going to write to you error. It's going to tell you you are making a very big mistake. So without wasting much of our time, let's just get started. Let's just dive to my um, VS Code and let's get started. So like I said, this is well the previous in our previous class. Let me just play this and show you what I mean by the reserved words. That's if you can see the if statement here. You need to clear it, then we use this else to know if the statement is actually correct. Let's say let me see. I guess I have it is 16. Then you're not allowed to vote to get out. Let's try that again. Let's put in 28. Congratulations, you can vote. So this is it. This is a quick recap of our previous class. So let's just go straight to the next class, which is let me just clean this. Clear this. Next class is reserve words, reserve words, spy. Reserve words, spy. So okay, we're talking about reserve word. Like say, it's a very special word you don't commonly use. You don't use anyhow. Let's say you wanna create a variable and so a variable give it a num 30. You want to print. If you surround this on our machine, let's run this on our machine. Let's run this on our machine and see what's gonna give us. Let's see what's gonna give us. So you stays right because we saved it with num. Now let's just do this. Normal num one. As normally have num two. So equals to say and say num one. and so, right? And let's save. Oh, let's put that there. Python. Let's put this setup. Okay, so you 50. This, if you wanna, then we'll say you wanna use the if to store a variable, showing you error. I wanna use the elif, elif. It's giving you error because all these are special words. You don't use them commonly. Let me just say you don't use them anyhow. You only use them for special occasions or special duties. That is when they are being called up, or you want to create class, or you want to create any block, code block, or anything, and you're using if else all those ones. We have thousands of them. I will list them. I'll probably send them to the group. So you don't use all those words in creating variables, or you want to use it to create some yes, so variables to store some values in a string of boolean or the rest of that. No, it won't work out. That's why they are called the reserve words. You can only use them for this, like the way we use it, this indentation here. That's only when you can see this when they render their special um, value and their special duties here. So that's about reserve words. It's all about reserve words. So next on our this thing is our exercise. So I'll be giving you guys exercise. Make sure you do this exercise and make sure you submit it. So for with this, you will have a better understanding of Python and how Python works. So thank you. If you've been following us, we just concluded our day one Python tutorial, Python comprehensive tutorial for absolute beginners. So if you're just joining this tutorial for the very first time, I highly recommend you give us a thumbs up and smash that notification bell so you will be notified whenever we post such videos. And stay tuned, we will be posting videos on the Python day two yeah, Python day two. Yeah, just stay close, stay tuned. Don't give up. Don't Python is very interesting. Like it's very very interesting, and it's beginner friendly. It's something beginners can actually grow with and play around and check some things cool. So that worked out for them. So Python is not like other languages. Python is not a compiled language. It's an interpreted language. So it interprets your codes and gives you the output immediately. So stay close to it. So make sure you do your exercise. With this exercise, you will get a better understanding of Python and how it works. So don't quit. Make sure you submit your exercise and make sure you just come around for because I'll be posting the solution to the exercise I gave. Thank you.